Hello Year 2, welcome to your maths meeting today. Let's get started. You need to get a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm going to pause the video and wait for you to go and collect them now, and then we're going to get going. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to start with our months of the year. Sing along with me. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. We have two questions for you here. How many days in November? How many days in May? Okay, I'm going to pause the video for you and write your answers on your sheet. Okay. How many days in November? Brilliant. They are 30 days in November. How many days in May? They are 31 days in May. Fantastic work. Okay, we now have a pattern. We're going to complete the pattern. We're going to have a look at the numbers. So we need to look first and think about, is the pattern increasing or decreasing? So have another look. Is the pattern increasing or decreasing? Brilliant. The pattern is decreasing. Fantastic. What multiples are we counting in? So we have got 20, 30, 50. They all end in a 0. So I know that we are counting in multiples of, can you write it on your sheet? We are counting in multiples of 10, 20, 30, 50. So now my pattern is decreasing. I'm going to pause the video for you to fill in my pattern, fill in my blue boxes. Okay, so I'm decreasing in this direction. So what is above 50? That's correct. It's 60. So I'm going 60, 50. I'm decreasing. This one is 40. Excellent. 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. I'm decreasing and counting in multiples of 10. Brilliant work. Let's move on. Okay. What multiples are the bright yellow numbers? So together, let's count in threes. We're starting with 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. So the multiples that we are counting in are 3. We're counting in multiples of 3. Okay, so we've just counted in multiples of 3. So I want you to write down the next 3 multiples of 3, starting at 3. I'm going to pause the video and wait for you to write those down. Fill in my blue boxes. We're counting in multiples of 3, starting at 3. So I've got 3. My next answer is brilliant. 6, 9, 12. Fantastic. I'm counting in multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Excellent work. Okay. Are these groups equal or unequal? And how do I know? Okay, I'm going to pause the video for you to decide, are these groups equal or unequal? Write your answer down now. And how do I know that? Brilliant. Okay. So are these groups equal or unequal? They are unequal. How do I know? There is not the same amount in each group. Because here I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So therefore they are unequal. They do not contain the same amount in each group. Brilliant work, guys. Okay, let's have another look at these. My questions for these groups are these groups equal or unequal? How many groups do I have? How many circles are in each group? Then you need to write down the multiplication equation for these groups. I'm going to pause the video now to give you time to answer all those questions. Fantastic work, guys. So these groups are equal. They all look the same, and I have counted 1, 2, 3, 4. How many groups do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups. How many circles are in each group? They are 4 circles in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Now write down the multiplication equation. So I'm starting with 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. So 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. We could also say 4 times 4 equals 16. Fantastic. Okay, we're going to have a look at what Noah knows now. Know what Noah knows. If I know that 7 add 3 equals 10, then I know, fill in my blue box, fill in for this equation. For those that are ready for a challenge, what would the related subtraction equation be? I'm going to pause the video now for you to decide what numbers go in here. Okay, if I know that 7 plus 3 equals 10, then I know that 70 add 30 equals 100. And my related subtraction equation would be 100 minus 30 equals 70, or 100 subtract 30 equals 70. Fantastic, thank you. I'm thinking of a 3D shape. It has 2 faces. One face is circular. What is my shape? I'm going to pause the video for you to have a look at all the shapes and decide which shape am I thinking of. Okay, so I am going to do a process of elimination to see which shape has 2 faces. This shape doesn't have 2 faces. This shape does not have 2 faces. No, no, no. This shape has 3 faces. No, no. Therefore, my shape is the cone. It has 2 faces and one face is circular. Brilliant. That is the end of the maths meeting for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.